Today, after you watch this video all the way through, carefully and with full focus, I promise you'll be able to start your own business in 2026 and make thousands of dollars from it. And the best part, this business will not cost you a single dollar to start, not even $1. And you'll be able to run and grow this business while sitting at home using just your computer from anywhere in the world. Now, let's jump straight into the practical, step-by-step explanation. If we go to Etsy and search for bags, you'll find a lot of amazing designs here. But the one that really caught my attention is the first bag right here. You'll notice that the seller allows customers to add their own name to the bag, or even request a custom design they like. And if we take a closer look at these bags, you'll see they are trending right now and getting a lot of sales. But the one that really stood out to me is this first product. You'll find that this product is currently in over 20 carts, which means it's selling very well right now. And if we scroll down, you'll see it has amazing reviews, and all of them are recent, just from this month, which tells you one thing. This product is selling like crazy right now. Also, notice how the seller allows the buyer to easily add their own custom design to the bag. And this is actually rare on Etsy, which is exactly why it's generating so many sales. Here, the seller also lets the customer choose the bag color, select the quantity they want, and then they ask the buyer to send their custom design by email so it can be printed on the bag. For example, if I want to add a name to the bag, let's say Amelia. All I have to do is type the name here, place the order, and the seller will print my name on the bag and ship it to me. Shipping usually takes around 4 to 6 weeks, and the shipping cost is about $20. So now the big question is, how can we sell a bag like this, allow the customer to add their own design, then produce it and ship it to them, without spending any money up front to print or manufacture the product? The answer is actually very simple, because as you already know, I always focus on building businesses you can run from home, with zero cost to get started. But before we continue, quick tip for beginners. If you want to test your product quality before selling, you can use the coupon in the description to get up to 40% off as a new user, which makes it much easier to order samples with a very low upfront cost. So make sure to grab the coupon from the link below and try it yourself. And all of this, we're going to do using an amazing website I discovered called Inkedjoy. This site is simply a print-on-demand platform, which means you can place your design on a t-shirt, a mug, home decor, or even a bag, just like the product we saw at the beginning of the video. And here's the powerful part. When a customer orders your product, whether from Etsy, Shopify, or any other platform, the website automatically prints your design and ships it directly to the customer, and you keep the profit. Now that's what I call a smart business. What also makes this website special are its powerful features. No minimum order quantity, which means you don't need to buy anything up front. Custom packing options like bags, labels, hang tags, and even gift cards. Over 1,500 plus white label products you can sell under your own brand. You can design in bulk with just one click, competitive pricing, and top-level shipping providers. Honestly, this is everything you need to run a real business. Now, if we go directly to the product catalog, you'll find a huge variety of products. Not just bags. You'll see clothing for men and women, shoes, bags, and even home essentials. But since we want to sell the same type of bag we saw at the beginning, let's go into the bags section. Here, you'll find many amazing bags similar to the one we saw, and even better options. For example, I really like this bag right here, so let's click on Design and Sell, and it will open this beautiful design interface. One of the best things about this platform is that it allows you to design in a professional and super easy way. For example, if I want to change the bag color, all I have to do is select the color I like, and instantly the bag updates right in front of me. Also, if we click on Add Image, you can upload any ready design you already have. Let's say a customer sent me a design and wants it printed on a bag. All I need to do is upload the image here, and just like that, it appears directly on the bag. You can preview it instantly and even change the bag color while the design is applied to find the perfect combination. And there's also the Add Text option. If the customer wants to add their name, it's super simple. You just type the name here, let's say Amelia. Then you can resize the text, change the font color, and even choose from a wide variety of fonts. Honestly, this part is really fun because you can create amazing and professional designs directly inside the platform. And that's a huge advantage for anyone starting out. Now, let's say we're going to sell this bag with this exact design. You can also sell this design directly to customers who like it and want to buy it as it is. And at the same time, through this platform, you can customize a unique design for each customer. But in that case, you'll need to reapply the design every time and send the order to that specific customer, which is actually very easy to do. So, let's continue using this example design, the name Amelia. As I told you, all we need to do is adjust the size and positioning of the design on the bag like this, and you'll also find many professional mock-up images that you can use on social media or on your store, whether it's Etsy or Shopify, to attract more customers and generate sales fast. After you finish placing your design in a professional way, all you have to do is click on the Next button. Then you'll see the product name at the top, which you can edit however you like. You can also set the price and the available quantity from here. And down here, you'll find a detailed and professional product description that is automatically generated. And of course, you can edit it as well. Now, to publish this product to your store, all you need to do is click on Push to Store. And from here, you can connect your store, whether it's Shopify, Etsy, or any e-commerce platform in general. Since we are focusing on Etsy, once you click on Etsy, it will automatically redirect you to log into your account, and your store will be connected very easily. I believe that after this practical walkthrough, you can now start selling this bag easily and make sales if you follow the exact method I showed you. But don't stop at selling bags only. The print-on-demand space is huge. There are t-shirts, home decor, mugs, and so many other products. This is a massive field with thousands of dollars in opportunity if you use it the right way. And like I told you, don't limit yourself to just bags. Go explore the products. You'll find many amazing opportunities. For example, I found a product called a wallet, and this product has very low competition, which means big opportunity. You can design wallets for men or women, and I'm confident that if you start today, you can achieve great success. There are also many ready-made designs available on this platform, and they are beautiful and super easy to use. For example, this design right here, I think it's perfect for a wallet. Then, just like we did before, you add the design, adjust its size, and publish it to your store. From here, you can also find shipping details. Each country has its own delivery time, so make sure you include this information in your Etsy product description. And as we mentioned, you can also adjust your pricing from here. Then connect your store and click Publish. Once your store is connected, the product will be automatically listed on Etsy. I hope you found this video helpful, and I really encourage you to apply what you learned as soon as possible so you can start making sales. You'll find the website link in the description and in the pinned comment. I hope you got value from this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.